Hello, and welcome to our tutorials for working with Finesse Gadget Designer. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to add static data into a list component. List components can be used to add both types of data. You can add static data as well as dynamic data. If you want to learn about how to add dynamic data in the list, you can refer to our tutorial video 33 for more information. For this demo, we'll first go to the Designer section and drag a list component to our frame that we already placed on our canvas. We can resize the list by dragging the bottom right. We can always change the label of our list from the Properties window to match the type of data that you wish to display. For this demo, we're going to rename our label to Countries since we're going to display country names. We also change the component ID so it's easier to recognize your components. Now, we need to populate our list with the names of the countries. For this, we go to the Advanced section in our Properties window and click on the Values button next to Data Provider. We are given a pop-up window in which we can now add the country names. We'll go ahead and add some country names here. We'll add Sweden, India, Australia, UK, USA, and Italy. All these names will be visible in our list. We can click Save. If we publish our project by clicking the upper right button, we can refresh the page to preview how our countries appear in our list. If we decrease the size of our list, publish again, and refresh, a scroll bar now appears in our list so we can view the whole list. You can always change the size of your list according to your needs, and the scroll bar will appear to accommodate a long list of elements. You can always change the look and feel of our list in the Styles tab of the Properties window. You can change the label text alignment. Right now, it's left aligned, but we can change it to right aligned or center aligned. You can change the label background color, which will change to blue. The label color can also be customized, as well as the font style and family. The label height can be increased, as well as the left and right paddings. You can also give a border to your list, as well as change the border radius. If we change the border radius, we can change the corners of our list to be more rounded. And the text color can also be changed. It's also possible to change each odd row to appear as one color and each even row to appear as another color. Right now, all the rows in my list are appearing with the same color, but if we want the even rows to appear as some other color and the odd rows to appear in some different color, we can customize it from here. Our header separators can be given a color as well from the Styles tab. We also have the capability to change the color of our rows based on either selection and rollover states. When I roll my mouse over a row, I want the row color to change, so I'm going to change this to red. If I want to change the color of a row once clicked, I can change the color in the Selection Color property, which will change to yellow. Similarly, we can do the same with the text color as well, based on both selection and rollover states. Let's publish our project and refresh our window to see how this affects how our data component appears. Here we have a list with a centered label, a header separator between the values and the label. Our row colors are alternatively colored based on odd or even rows. And if we roll over any of our data elements, the color changes to red. If we select a data element, the color of the field changes to yellow as we've defined. This concludes how we're able to customize how we can display static data using a list component in Finesse Gadget Designer. As always, thank you for watching.